Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll be going over how to add elements to a video on Pictory. So let's get started. So to uncover how to effortlessly add elements to your video, Step 1. Begin by navigating to Elements on the left-hand menu within the storyboard. Step 2. Here, the elements are organized into 3 categories: stickers, GIFs, and emojis, easily accessible via their respective tabs. Step 3. To find the perfect element, use the search bar and enter a keyword. Search under sticker, GIFs, or emoji tabs for the respective element. Step 4. Once you have found an element you adore, a simple click applies to the current scene. You can also switch scenes to apply the element elsewhere. Step 5. Customize further with quick actions. Click the element in the scene preview for options like copy, duplicate, and even scaling and dragging for perfect positioning. Immerse your video in creativity as elements scale, move, and enrich your storytelling. That's it. I hope this video helps you out, and see you in the next video.